Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Let's solve a short story puzzle. The Bargain. Rekha and Shushma are known for their bargaining power. They both went to a shop to buy a dress. Rekha, after a good bargaining deal, bought the dress at rupees 35. Usually, the shopkeeper would have sold the dress at 8/7 of that price. That price means I'm talking about the price of rupees 35. So, usually he would have sold at 8/7 of 35. It is just because of the good bargaining power of Rekha, she bought it at rupees 35. That's what we understand from this. Shushma, after a good bargaining deal, bought the dress at rupees 30. So she bought the dress at rupees 30. Usually the shopkeeper would have sold it at 7/6 of that price. Okay, which means 7/6 of 30. Usually the dress would have been sold at that price, but because of the good bargaining power of Shushma, she bought it at rupees 30. Which one do you think is a better bargain? Which is a better bargain? By how many percent? Okay, so percent is something that is being asked to us in this question. So let's start by analyzing this. Looks quite a simple problem. Rekha, after a good bargaining deal, bought it at rupees 35. So Rekha bought this dress at rupees 35. But what was the usual price that at which this dress would have been sold? That is 8/7 of the price that Rekha bought it to. So Rekha bought it at 35. 8/7 of that is what? 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. 8 into 5, 40. So rupees 40 was the actual price of this dress. Rekha bought it at rupees 35 because of her good bargaining power. Okay, that's what we understand from this. Let's just see the bargaining of Shushma as well, because then only we can compare the percentage difference between the two. So Shushma, after a good bargaining deal, bought the dress at rupees 30. So she bought the dress at rupees 30. Usually the shopkeeper would have sold it at 7/6 of that price. So what is the actual price? That was 7/6 of the price at which Shushma bought it. So it was 7/6 of 30. So 6 ones are 6, 5s are 30. 7 into 5, the answer comes out to be 35. So the actual price of this dress was rupees 35. And Shushma, because of her good bargaining power, bought it at rupees 30. Okay, so that's what we understand from it. So how much did now Shushma saved? Shushma saved rupees 5. Correct. Okay, the dress was of 35. She bought it at 30. So she saved rupees 5 over what? Over the cost price of 30, which means that the 30 rupees that she has spent, over that she has saved 5 rupees, which means what is a percentage saving that she has? Okay, over 30 she has saved 5. So what is the percentage saving she has? 5 ones are 5 6 are 1/6 is 16.66% of the cost that was incurred to her. She saved. The cost that was incurred to her was rupees 30. Over 30 she saved 5 rupees. So what is the amount that is being saved? 16.66% amount is being saved. What about Rekha? Let's analyze the deal of Rekha now. So Rekha had a profit of how many rupees? Rupees 40 and rupees 35. So she again, just like Shushma, she had a profit of rupees 5. But 5 over what? Over the cost percentage. So she had spent 35. She has spent 35 because she bought this dress at 35. Over this 35 she had a profit of rupees 5. So over 35, a profit of 5. Okay, which means what is a percentage profit here? 1/7. Okay, and what is 1/7? 14.28% profit. 14.28% profit. So which is a better bargaining deal here? When it comes to comparing percentage, she had 16.28 16.66% better bargaining deal. Okay, because she saved 16.66% of the cost that was incurred to her, and she saved 14.28% of the cost that was incurred to her. So which is a better bargaining deal, Shushma? Okay, by how many percent? Subtract this 14.28 minus 16.66. Okay, that is your answer now. What is the subtraction between the two? That will be your answer now. So let's just go with this. So subtract this now, 14.28 minus this. Okay, so what is the answer that you are getting it? This 30, then 72, 15, 16. Okay, 0.72 plus 0.66. That is what you will have to add. So just 6 plus 2, 8, 6, 6, 12, 13, 1.38 plus 1, 2.38. So what is by how many percent? 2.38%. Shushma has a better bargaining deal by 2.38% because she saved 16.66 over the cost, and Rekha only saved 14.28% over the cost. So percentage difference is 2.38%, by which Shushma had a better bargaining deal.